Want to bring your favorite still photos to life with just a single click? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Vidful AI, a free online AI video generator that transforms static images and text into stunning, high-quality videos in about a minute. Vidful AI is powered by some of the most advanced video models available today, specifically Kuaishou Kling AI and the Luma AI Dream Machine. Now, because this platform is relatively new, there aren't many public user reviews available online yet, but today we're going to look at exactly how it works so you can decide if it's right for you. Vidful AI offers some really unique features, including specialized tools like the AI Hug video generator, the AI Dance video generator, and even an AI Kiss video generator. These tools are designed to take your images and create realistic, dynamic movements automatically. Getting started is incredibly easy and takes just 3 simple steps. First, head over to Vidful AI and upload your image, or simply type in a descriptive text prompt. Second, let the AI do the heavy lifting. The platform's advanced algorithms will process your input and generate a high-quality video in a short amount of time. Finally, once the generation is complete, you can preview the final result right on the screen. If you're happy with how it looks, just click Download to save the video directly to your device. On the plus side, Vidful AI is free to get started, very fast, and combines 2 of the best AI video engines under one roof. On the downside, because we don't have a large pool of independent user reviews yet, you'll want to experiment with it yourself to see how it handles your specific images. If you want to try it out, head over to Vidful AI today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more easy AI tutorials, and let me know in the comments what kind of videos you're planning to create.